Hi students, welcome to Diamond Group of Institutions, NEET and KCET online classes. Today we are going to discuss about the optical instruments, very important chapter, and one question we can expect from this topic, and 4 marks easily we will get. So concentrate on these three instruments: simple microscope, compound microscope, and astronomical telescope. Whatever the NCERT based instruments are there, that we are going to discuss. First is simple microscope. In simple microscope we have only one convex lens. Here this convex lens acting as a magnifying glass. Okay, now see now. So here in these cases already you know in the theory. So two cases we have. Whenever this instrument is forming the image at the infinity and image at the least distance of distinct vision. These two cases are there in each instrument. So first see the in simple microscope. So in simple microscope here we are using the convex lens and we are adjusting the object. So where we have to keep the object now? Here see, if we keep the object beyond this focal length, then this will form the image this side and we cannot see the image. Okay, so then we have to adjust the object in between the focus and the optical center. If we adjust the object in between the focal and focus and the optical center, then it will form the virtual and direct image. Okay, now that we can see from we can view that image. Okay, now see, that means we have to keep the object in between the focus and the optical center. So when will we get the image at infinity and when will we get the image at the least distance of distinct vision? These two cases. Now see, if we keep the object, two cases are there. If they keep the object at the focus, okay, if we keep the object at the focus, near to the focus, exactly not at the close to the focus, then we will get the image at the infinity distance. Okay, now so if we keep the object very close to the focus, then we will get the image at the infinity distance. Now if we are moving the object to distance from focus and toward the optical center, then the image distance also decreases. Image distance also decreases here. So but at some particular point of the object distance, so the image will form at the least distance of distant vision. Okay, that means here whenever we are moving the object from focal to the optical center at particular distance, we are getting the image at the least distance of vision, and next if we are keeping the object at the focus, we are getting the image at the infinity distance. These are the two cases. Now object is at the minimum distance. Okay, if it is at the focus, then the distance is a maximum distance, and if we are moving the object toward the optical center, at some distance we are getting the image at the least distance of distant vision. At what distance of the object we are getting the image at the least distance of distant vision, that distance of the object is called as the minimum distance. That means if the object is at the minimum distance, okay, then the image is at the least distance of distinct vision. So then the magnifying power formula is equal to the 1 plus d by f. Okay, so here suffix I keep that d means the image is at the least distance of distant vision. So md equal to 1 plus d by f. Okay, and the next we are keeping the object at the maximum distance. Maximum distance means close to the focus. Then where it will form the image? Image is at the infinity distance. Now image is at the infinity distance. So now in this case, what is the magnifying power means? The magnifying power when the image is at the infinity distance, that is equal to d by f. Okay, na? So d is nothing but the least distance of distinct vision. F is the focal length of the lens. Okay, now these two formulas you have to remember. Next come to see the compound microscope. Okay, so in the compound microscope we have the two lenses. One is the eyepiece. Okay, this is the eyepiece, and this one is the objective lens. Okay, objective lens. Okay, so focal length of the objective lens. Focal length of the objective lens is less than the focal length of the eyepiece. Eyepiece ka focal length more and aperture also more. Okay, remember that condition. And next one more thing here, see now, for I am considering the objective lens. If the object is in between the focus and optical center, okay, then it will form the image this side only. We cannot see the image through this lens. Okay, so in this case the object should be beyond the f. Okay, so beyond the f means it will form the real and inverted image here. Okay, from infinity to the beyond f up to the f, it will form the real and inverted image. If the object is in between the focus and optical center, it will form the virtual erect image. So up to the f, this will form the real inverted image. So we need that image only. Okay, that means for objective lens, object should not be in between the focus and the optical center. Okay, so beyond the optical center. Okay, so now here it is forming the image, somewhere it is forming the image. Now in the compound microscope we have the one thing, that is nothing but we can adjust the place of this eyepiece. So now we can adjust this eyepiece this lens. That means same cases. So we have to move this eyepiece to make this image distance at a minimum distance, or to make this image distance at a maximum distance. This image is working as an object to this one. Okay na? So u minimum means this image or object to this lens. Okay, this one is in between the focus and the optical center. If it is forming the focus and optical center, then only we can view this object. Okay na? If this is beyond the f, we cannot see again. For this one, the object should be beyond the f. For this lens, object should be in between the focus and the optical center. Okay, remember that point. Now in this case, first case, I am considering that object, this is the image of this lens, but this is acting as object to this lens. For this lens, this should be, I am arranging that, I am adjusting this eyepiece to form the image at the least distance of distinct vision. So to form the image at the least distance of distinct vision, the object should be in between the focus and the optical center. So that time the distance of the object is the minimum. So in this case, so whenever the image is at the least distance of distinct vision, the magnifying formula is minus V naught by U naught into 1 plus D by Fe. V naught is the image distance from the objective lens, from the here to here. This is the V naught. Okay, it is forming the image here na? So image distance from the objective lens. U naught is the objective distance from the objective lens. U naught 1 plus D by D means least distance of distinct vision. Fe means focal length of the eyepiece. Okay, suppose in this case, once you see now what is the length of the compound microscope. Okay, now length we have to find. This length is nothing but, see now, from here to here, this is the image distance of the objective lens. From here to here, it is the object distance. This is acting as the object distance of the eyepiece. Then length of this one is nothing but the L equal to the V naught plus U. So in this case, object is at the minimum distance. So U minimum, L equal to V naught plus U minimum. Suppose approximately this length is almost equal to this U minimum is very small, then almost equal to the V naught. Okay, U naught equal to that means this one is very close to the focal length. Okay, beyond the focal length only, but very close to the focal length we are assuming. Then U naught equal to almost equal to the focal length of the objective lens. And then if we substitute here, we will get minus L by F naught into 1 plus D by Fe. This is the important formula. And the next case, what we are doing here, we are just adjusting the eyepiece to form the image at the infinity distance. To form the image at the infinity distance, object distance should be maximum. Maximum means object should be in between the focus and optical center only. Maximum means very close to the focus. Okay, very close to the focus now. Okay, this image is from objective lens ka image is working as a object to this eyepiece. So now here this is the objective distance of the image distance of the objective lens. Now we are adjusting the eyepiece to form the image at the infinity. So then object is at a maximum distance. So the distance of the object is from here to here. This is the U max. So U max is almost equal to the focal length here. Okay, now this image is forming at the infinity. In this case, the length of the compound microscope is, so from here to here, this is nothing but the image distance of the objective lens V naught plus. Now in this case, it is in the maximum condition. So if it is at the maximum condition plus the object is at the maximum distance, so then U max is almost equal to the focal length of this eyepiece. So V naught plus Fe we can write, V naught plus Fe. So now here whenever this is forming the object image at the infinity distance, then magnifying formula is m infinity equal to the minus v naught by u naught into d by fe. So same formula here. This is we are not changing this objective magnifying power. Okay, just we are saying the changing the eyepiece magnifying power only. So same thing here. If the image is at the least distance of vision 1 plus d by f, so here also if the image is at the least distance of vision 1 plus d by fe, eyepiece ka focal length, and the image is at the infinity distance, m infinity equal d by f, so here also m infinity equal to d by fe, eyepiece ka focal length. That means this eyepiece is acting as a magnifying glass here. So to increase the magnifying power, what we have to do? So see now, in the magnification power we have the f naught fe. So f naught and fe are in the denominator. So to increase this m, we have to decrease this f naught and fe. So focal length of the objective lens and focal length of the eyepiece, if decreases, magnifying power will be increased. So here magnifying power, I am writing one more formula, that this magnifying power equal to the minus magnifying power of the objective lens into magnifying power of the eyepiece. Okay, now this is the formula. Okay, magnifying power. And the next one more thing you have to remember in this cases, if u is at the minimum, u is minimum, so magnifying power is maximum. U is at the maximum, the objective distance is at the maximum, magnifying power is the minimum. Okay, remember that case also. Next come to see the astronomical telescope. Okay, according to your topic syllabus, I am telling you about the astronomical telescope. Astronomical telescope is used to see the long distance objects. So now here this is the objective lens and this one is the eyepiece. So objective lens ka focal length is greater than the eyepiece ka focal length. Okay, the opposite to this one. Okay, next, so we are observing the long distance objective, so this will form the image at the focus. So now image distance of the objective lens is equal to the focal length of that lens. Okay, and next, in this case also we have to adjust this eyepiece to form the image at the least distance of vision and to form the image at the infinity distance. So first case I am considering it is going to form the image at the least distance of vision. So if the image is at the least distance of vision, u is at the minimum case. So now here u minimum, objective distance is minimum. So now image will form at the least distance of distance vision. So now whenever the image is at the least distance of distance vision, the formula of the magnifying power formula is minus f naught by fe into 1 plus fe by d. F naught, fo is the, or f naught is nothing but the objective lens ka focal length, fe is the eyepiece ka focal length, d is the least distance of distance vision. In this case, the length of the astronomical telescope tube ka length how much? So from here to here it is nothing but the f naught or v naught, f naught plus here u minimum. Okay na, u minimum. Okay, this is the length of the telescope tube. Okay, and next come to see here. Next, here also this will form the image at the focus of this one only. Why? Because we are looking the object at the long distance. So now this objective distance is equal to the focal length of that lens. And next we are adjusting this eyepiece to form the image at the infinity. When it will form the image at the infinity, the distance of the object from this eyepiece is the maximum. U equal to the maximum. If U equal to the maximum, then it will form the image at the infinity distance. In that case, the magnifying power of the telescope is m infinity equal to minus f naught by fe, minus f naught by fe. Okay, so here the length of the tube equal to the, so from here to here distance is nothing but the f naught plus u max. U max means we have to keep the object almost very close to the focus. So that means we are keeping this object very close to the focus of this eyepiece. That means the u max is almost equal to the focal length of the eyepiece. So now this is the f naught plus fe. Okay, in this case the length of the tube is f naught plus fe. In this case the focal length of the tube is equal to f naught plus u minimum. Okay, now see either magnifying power mein f naught is in the numerator and fe is in the denominator. So to increase the magnifying power, so objective lens ka focal length we have to increase and eyepiece ka focal length we have to decrease to increase the magnifying power. This is the information about the simple microscope, compound microscope and astronomical telescope. So two cases, object is at the minimum distance, then image is at the least distance of distinct vision, and object is at the maximum distance, that means near to the focus, then image is at the infinity distance. In this cases also same. And the next one more thing you have to remember, in exams sometimes they may ask I is at the relaxed state. If I is at the relaxed state or I is in a normal adjustment, that means the microscope instrument or I. So I is in the normal adjustment or I is in the relaxed state means object is at the infinity distance. Okay, sorry, image is at the infinity distance. Okay, so in this case, here it is forming the infinity distance. This is the normal adjustment. Okay, so here also it is forming the image at the infinity distance, normal adjustment. So normal adjust, that means if the object is far away from us, our eye will be relaxed and we can see the object. If object is moving very close to our eye, then we will get the strain, that means the eyeball will be contrast, eye lens will be contrast, and we will get some pain, our eye will be strained. Okay, now so that's why here the image is at the infinity means the object is at the maximum distance. If the object is at the maximum distance, eye is in the relaxed state or normal adjustment. So here also object is at the maximum distance means eye is at the relaxed state or at the normal adjustment state. Okay, now these two cases. And the next one, here object is at the minimum distance in this case and in this case. If the object is minimum very close to the eye, our eye will feel somewhat strain. So this is if eye is at the strained case, we have to use, if object distance is minimum, here also minimum. If eye is at the relaxed state or normal adjustment, then image objective distance is maximum and image is at the infinity. Image is forming at the infinity. Remember this cases also. Next, based on this formulas, we are going to discuss the problems here. First problem, see now, the magnifying power of a simple microscope is 6. The focal length of its lens in meters will be if least distance of distinct vision is 25 centimeter. If they don't mention also, you have to take least distance of distinct vision is the 25 centimeters. Okay, and least distance of distinct vision is the 25 centimeters and maximum distance of distinct vision is the infinity for the human eye. So the given magnifying power 6 and D they given 25 centimeters. Okay, na? So that means here this image is forming at the least distance of distinct vision. Okay, so then we have to find the focal length. So now formula is MD equal to 1 plus D by F. So MD equal to 1 plus D by F. So the given magnifying power 6, 1 plus the least distance of distinct vision is the 25. F value we have to find, simplify, we will get F equal to the 5 centimeter. But they are asking the focal length is in terms of the meters. So now convert these 5 centimeters into meters, focal length equal to 0.05 meters. So A is the right option. So like this we have to solve the problems. Only you have to remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 formulas you have to remember. You can solve any problem from this optical instruments. Next question, second question. A convex lens of focal length 12.5 centimeter. Focal length 12.5 centimeter is used as a simple microscope. Here simple microscope formula has to come in the brain. Simple microscope. When the image is formed at infinity, magnification is. So the given focal length is 12.5 centimeters and the image is forming at the infinity, then magnifying power formula is m infinity equal to d by f. Once you see the synopsis I taught you already, m infinity equal to least distance of distant vision is 25 centimeters. Remember this value, 25 by 12.5 equal to the 2. Okay, na? So see the units, 25 centimeters, this is also in centimeters. And next come to see the next problem. A compound microscope has magnification 30. So magnification given 30. The focal length of eyepiece is 5 centimeter. Eyepiece ka focal length is 5 centimeter. Assuming the final image to be formed at the least distance of distinct vision. Okay, the image, final image should be formed at the least distance of distinct vision. That means the distance of the image from the objective lens is 25 centimeters. The magnification produced by the objective lenses. Objective lens ka magnification we have to find. Objective lens ka magnification MO equal to the how much we have to find. So now here object is at the image is at the least distance of distant vision. Now here eyepiece is acting as a simple microscope only. So if the image is at the least distance of distinct vision, the formula for the magnification power is ME equal to 1 plus D by FE. So here that means the eyepiece is acting as a simple microscope. For simple microscope, if the image at the least distance of distinct vision, the formula is ME equal to 1 plus D by FE. So now 1 plus least distance of distinct vision is 25 by F focal length of the eyepiece given 5, then we will get the magnification power of the eyepiece is 6. So magnification power of the compound microscope is equal to the minus magnification power of the objective lens into magnification power of the eyepiece. So magnification they given 30 equal to minus m naught is nothing but the we have to find, and me is the 6 we found already, m naught equal to minus 5. Okay, so m naught equal to the minus 5, remember. Okay, now if they give maximum quotient, they may not give the sign. If they give the sign, we have to use proper sign. Okay, the formula remember. And the next question, a microscope is having objective of focal length 1 centimeter. So objective ka focal length f naught equal to the 1 centimeter. Focal length 1 centimeter and eyepiece of focal length 6 centimeters. So eyepiece ka focal length equal to the 6 centimeters, eyepiece FE. If the tube length is 30 centimeters, so tube length L given 30 centimeters. Image is formed at the least LDDV, means least distance of distance vision. Least distance of distance vision. What is the magnification produced by the microscope? What is the magnification produced by the microscope? This microscope is nothing but the compound microscope. Why? Because they given the tube length also. So the formula is m equal to the L by f naught into 1 plus D by Fe. So 1 plus D by Fe is nothing but the if the image is at the least distance of distance vision, the eyepiece is working as a simple microscope. So simple microscope ka formula this one, and this one is nothing but the objective lens ka. So here length is given, length equal to the 30 centimeters. Okay, and next one more thing here, actually we have V naught by U naught here. So if the objective distance image distance of the objective lens is almost equal to the length, and objective distance is for the objective lens it is almost equal to the focal length, then I given this formula also. Okay, na? Then at the place of V naught we are writing substituting the L, at the place of U naught we are substituting the F naught. Okay, now substitute the values. L they given, F naught given 1 plus D value we know, Fe value also given 6. Then after simplification we will get the magnification power is 150. Easy problem, just remember the formulas only. And the next question is, if we need a magnification of 375, we need the magnification equal to how much? M equal to 375 we need. Okay, from a microscope of tube length 15 centimeters, tube length L equal to the given 15 centimeters, and an objective of focal length is 0.5 centimeters. So focal length of the objective length is 0.5 centimeters. And what focal length of the eyepiece should be used? For eyepiece ka focal length we have to find. Tube length they given, use the formula m equal to L by f naught into 1 plus D by Fe. So same thing what we did there. What we did here, same formula. So m equal to L by f naught plus 1 plus D by Fe. M value we have to get how much? 375. L value tube length 15 given, focal length ka objective lens ka focal length given 0.5 into 1 plus least distance or distant vision we know 25, and Fe is nothing but the focal length of the eyepiece. We have to find that one. Do the simplification step by step. After the simplification we will get the focal length of the eyepiece is 2.2 centimeters. 2.2 centimeters is the right answer. Concentrate on the simplification. Okay. Next problem, sixth question. A compound microscope with an objective lens of focal length 1 centimeter, focal length of the objective lens they given 1 centimeter, and eyepiece lens of focal length 2 centimeter, eyepiece Fe equal to 2 centimeter is used such that the final image forms at the infinity. Final image is forming at the infinity. The length of the tube is 20 centimeter, length they given 20 centimeter. The magnifying power of compound microscope is, so here image is forming at the final image is forming at the infinity, and magnifying power of the microscope equal to the m equal to the minus V naught by U naught into D by Fe, actual formula. For the small values of and F naught Fe we know the modifying formula also. M equal to minus L by f naught into d by fe. L value is the length of the tube 20 centimeter they given, substitute 20. F naught is the focal length of the objective lens 1 centimeter, 1 substitute. D is the least distance of distance vision, we know already 25 centimeters, 25. By fe is the focal length of the eyepiece 2 centimeter, substitute 2 ones and 2 tens, 10 into 25 250. So m equal to minus 250 is the magnifying power of the microscope. Okay, and next see the next question, an astronomical telescope. So now the questions based on the telescope. So an astronomical telescope has objective and eyepiece of focal length 40 centimeters and 4 centimeter. Objective lens का focal length is 40 centimeter and eyepiece का focal length is 4 centimeter respectively. To view an objective 200 centimeter away from the objective lens. So where is the objective? 200 centimeter away from the objective, minus 200 centimeters. The lens must be separated by a distance. The lens must be separated by a distance. Means the length of the tube we have to find. The length of the tube equal to the L equal to the image distance of the objective lens plus, okay, now objective distance is nothing but this image distance from the eyepiece. So here u value we don't know from the eyepiece, that is nothing but this image is forming at the focus of the eyepiece. Now here we have to consider Fe, okay now. So if this image is at the focus of the eyepiece, then it will form the image at the infinity distance. If the image is at the infinity distance, then we can say it as the normal adjustment. So in normal adjustment we have to find the length of the tube. To find the length of the tube we need the image distance from the objective lens. So focal length of the objective lens we know, objective distance from the objective lens we know, image distance from the objective lens we have to find. So for objective lens, for lens formula 1 by b minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. So for the objective lens 1 by b naught minus 1 by u naught equal to 1 by f naught. 1 by b naught, u naught value is minus 200, minus or minus plus 1 by 200 equal to f naught value is 40, 1 by 40. So 1 by b naught equal to 1 by 200, since that said it will become 1 by 40 minus 1 by 200. So take the LCM, LCM is the 200. So 5 minus 1 equal to 4 by 200. So now V naught equal to 50 centimeters. That means image distance from the objective lens is the 50 centimeters. This image is forming at the focus of the eyepiece. Then the length of the tube equal to the, that condition is called as the normal adjustment. The length of the tube equal to the image distance of the objective lens plus focal length of the eyepiece. So 50 is the image distance of the objective lens plus focal length of the eyepiece is the 4 centimeter. 50 plus 4, 54 centimeters. So the separation between the lenses is the 54 centimeter. Otherwise the length of the tube is nothing but the compound microscope 54 centimeters. Okay, remember. Sorry, not compound microscope, telescope. Okay, length of the telescope tube is the 54 centimeters. Now see the next question. An astronomical telescope has angular magnification of magnitude 5. For distant objects, the separation between objective and the eyepiece is 36 centimeters. Okay, the length and the final image is formed at infinity. The focal length of the objective and the focal length of the eyepiece are. So here the image is forming at the infinity distance. If the image is formed at the infinity distance, we know the magnification formula is f naught by fe for the telescope. Image is forming at the infinity this side. So now magnification equal to f naught by fe. And the next magnitude of the magnification also they given 5. So m equal to f naught by fe equal to 5. From this f naught equal to 5 into fe we will get. Okay, and the next one more thing they given, the separation between the objective and the eyepiece are 36 centimeters. Okay, so the length of the tube equal to the 36 centimeter. Now image is forming at the infinity. If image is forming at the infinity distance, so the image of the objective lens should be formed at the focus of the eyepiece. Okay, then length equal to how much? So f naught plus fe. That means the objective lens already formed the image at the focus of that lens only. Why? Because the object is at the infinity distance, long distance. Now next this image is forming at the focus of the eyepiece. Okay, the length of the tube is f naught plus fe. So the final image also forming at the infinity. So final image also forming at the infinity means so the image of the objective lens is forming at the focus of the eyepiece. Okay, the length of the tube equal to the f naught plus fe equal to the 36. From this condition, f naught equal to how much? 5 fe. So 5 fe plus fe equal to 36. F naught plus me I am substituting 5 fe. So 6 fe equal to 36. Fe equal to the 6 centimeter. Fe is nothing but the focal length of the eyepiece. Focal length of the eyepiece equal to 6 centimeters. Then focal length of the objective lens equal to the f naught equal to 5 fe. 5 into fe value is how much? 6. 6 into 5, 30 centimeter. So objective lens का focal length is 30 centimeters and eyepiece का focal length is 6 centimeters. So option D is the right answer. In this way we have to solve the problem. They given the hint here, the magnification, that means the image, final image is forming at the infinity. So for final image forming at the infinity means formula is this one, magnification power formula. And then next come to see the next question. The focal lengths of objective and eyepiece of the astronomical telescope are 2 meter and 5 centimeter. So what given? Focal length of the objective lens is 2 meter. 2 meter means 200 centimeter. And the next image eyepiece ki focal length how much given? 5 centimeter. Okay. The magnifying power of telescope when final image is formed at the infinity is. So now final image is forming at the infinity, then magnifying power formula previously we discussed here. Okay, m equal to minus f naught by fa. Here I took the mod, but I am taking here sign convention also. Sign they given. So now m equal to the minus f naught by fe. So f naught value is how much? 200 centimeter. Fe value is how much? 5 centimeter. Now substitute in the formula, we will get m equal to minus 200 by 5 equal to the minus 40. So magnifying power value is minus 40. So like this you have to solve the problems. So till now we discussed all these formula problems asked in the KCET and NEET exam and IIT exam questions we discussed here. So all these questions are based on the formulas only. You have to remember 7 or 8 formulas there. If you remember these formulas, you can solve any question from the optical instrument. You will get 4 marks very easily. Okay, concentrate on this topic. Small topic, one question we will get compulsory 100% and you can get the 4 marks easily. Thank you.